I didn't crown the Shah of Iran, nor the Mullahs who took to the throne. Now the women step out of the shadows. Just look how their courage has grown. Revolutions triumphant in China, Nicaragua, Zimbabwe, Iran. But they quickly succumb to suppression. Freedom, democracy, gone. And I don't fight for usurpers. Replace all hope with fear. Wipe away all opposition with artful deception and smear. And I don't keep my silence when power corrupts as it will. I don't bow down to despoilers. I stand up the dream to fulfill. I don't fight for aggressors, even when they're not USA. They try to tell me they're being surrounded. Tell that to their neighbors, I say. We fight for freedoms at home, are not the same in every land. I don't defend dictators. Freedom is a global demand. My allegiance belongs to the people. I'm faithful, but not to the crowd. When presidents turn to tyranny, it's time for them to be brought down.